Students, now let's see exercise 6.2. See, first main, I request you to open your textbooks. First main, you see, find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Already we have seen one example previously. In the same page you see first example, same like that only. Now we have to find out the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. Now first one you see, here I am going to take. Children, you have to draw with the help of a scale. See, here they have given 50 degrees. Here it is 70 degrees. And this is x. Now we have to find out this x. Now what they are asking, we have to know, find out the exterior angle. This x is exterior angle. 50 and 70 are interior angles. But we have to find here exterior angles. So, now here, what is the formula we have learned for exterior angle here? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. We have seen previously in the theory part, when we discussed about exterior angle, it is the sum of two opposite interior angles. Now here, what is the exterior angle here? We have to find angle x is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Means opposite interior angles, what are they? 50 degrees. Sum means it is addition. Plus 70 degree. Angle x is equal to 50 plus 70, how much? 120 degree. So this is the x value. How much? 120 degree. So this is the for first one. Now you see second problem. I am taking again one triangle. You have to take with the help of a scale. I am just drawing here with hand. Here it is 65 degrees. This is x degree. This is 45 degree. Exterior angle, what is it here? X. Interior 65 and 45 are given. So now we have to find out exterior angle. I have already told you we have to write just formula for exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Here exterior angle is what? X. Angle x. That is equal to sum of two opposite. Sum means it is addition. 65 degree plus 45 degree. Angle x is equal to 65 plus 45, how much? It is 110 degree. Similar way you see. Now I will solve third problem also. You see third one, what is here? 30, 40 is given. We have to find out x degree. So first I am going to draw one triangle. I am just drawing with hand, but you have to draw with scale. So here it is extended here. This is x. This is 30 degree. This is 40 degree. So again what you have to write here? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Then here, now exterior angle is what? Angle x is equal to 30 plus 40. Angle x is equal to 30 plus 40, how much? 70 degree. So x is 70 degree. So still three more are there. I think students, you can do it as a homework. Now you see second main. Second main you see, find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figure. Previously what we have done, exterior angle x we have found, but here they are giving interior angle. We have to find out that x x is in which place here now? Interior angle. Now we shall do this second main. First one I am drawing. See, x is interior, 50 is interior. Out exterior is 115. So I am just going to draw first one. You have to draw with the help of a scale. Here 50 degrees is there. Here x is there. Here 115 degree is there. Now here what we have done? Similar way for first main how we have done, same thing we have to find out. Now just we have to know exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Here what is the exterior angle here? Exterior is outside. 115 is equal to sum of two opposite. Interior what are they? 50 degree plus x degree. So then when x comes like this, here x is equal to, here you see 115 minus this plus becomes, when it comes this side it becomes minus 50. So x is equal to 65. So angle x is equal to 65. This is first one. Now I will solve second one also. You just see second one what they have given here. 70 degree is given, x is given as interior, 100 is given as exterior. Now we have to find out interior of x value. Second one, just take this one. This they have done this one. 70. You have to draw with help of a scale. This 100. Now we have to find out x. X is interior. So now again what you have to write? Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Here what is the exterior angle? 100 degree is equal to sum of two opposite interior what? 70 degree plus x degree. Then angle x is equal to 100 degree. When this plus comes that side, minus 70. X is equal to 100 minus 70 how much? 30. So angle x is equal to 30. Yeah. Then third one you see. Here they have given x is given and 125 is given. Then they have given one. It belongs to right angle. Right angle how much? 90 degree. So when straight line is there, we have to take it as 90 degree. Now let's find out this one. Straight line is given and this one is given like this. This is 125 degree. This is x and this is actually, when it is like this, it is 90 degree actually. This is right angle. Right angle means it is 90. So here we have to find out. Again same thing. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So what is the exterior angle here? 125. 125 is equal to sum of 2 means what? 90 plus x. Therefore x is equal to 125 minus 90. X is equal to 30. Here did you understand why did we get 90 here? Because this is right angle. Right angle means how much it will be? It is 90 degree because it is straight. So when you measure you get 90 degrees. So it is 90. So x is equal to 30 degree you have got. Then you see students, other 3 are there. I think you can do it as a homework. With this we have completed exercise 6.2. If you have any doubts, you can clarify. In the next class we can see angle sum property of a triangle. With this we finished exercise 6.2. So I think you can do the homework and send it. Thank you.